Hello guys, I am Aryan Rasar and today we are going to see 3 easy science experiments that you can try at your home. So watch this video full to know the experiments and like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start our video. Here we have our first experiment. For this you need vinegar, detergent, turmeric, baking soda, tomato, a container, and in that water and 1 spoon. So this experiment is acid base neutralization. So first we will take 1 spoon turmeric in this container and mix it properly. So you can see the color. The color is yellow as normal. Now I am going to pour detergent into this turmeric, and that is also going to be 2 spoons. This is first spoon and observe the color change. See the color change at the bottom. See what is the color. Wait, I am going to show you, and let's mix this and see the color. See the color. The color is red now. See, it was a magic. Now I am going to bring this red color this red color to the yellow color. So for this I am taking tomato and I am pouring the juice of tomato in this. And so see the color change happening in this. So our yellow color is back. So now I want the red color back to me. So for this I am taking baking soda and I am pouring 1 spoon of that. So I have poured that and let's mix this. And you can see at the bottom the color is changing to red slowly, and at the upside there is just, you can say, bubbles. See the bubbles, and at the down there is the red color. So after mixing this for much more time you will get the pure red color, and I am going to mix this for. So see the color change. You can see that it is turning to red color. Only some of the color is remaining. So see that our red color is back, but it is not that much red because we have poured tomato juice, and that's why that the color is not that much dark. So our next step is to pour the vinegar into this mixture and see what is the color. So let's pour the vinegar. And watch the color change. Watch what is happening. So as you can see, the bubbles are coming out. This reaction was there because first you know that we put baking soda and now we put the vinegar. Therefore this reaction is happening and the mixture is coming out, as you can see. And watch what is the color. It is yellow one more time. So this happened because the turmeric is natural indicator, and if we pour any basic thing, basic means which is less, which is more than the pH 7, so like 8, 9, 10 and 14 is the highest. So the washing soda, or what we can call as the detergent, is basic in the nature, so it turns the turmeric to red, and that only happened. And this tomato has ascorbic acid, and in acid medium the color changes to yellow. That means it remains the same. So that only happened. The red color changed to yellow. Then we put the baking soda, which is also basic in the nature. So when we put that, the color always or changed to the red color. So it was basic. Next we poured the vinegar, and vinegar is acetic acid. So in acid the color changes to yellow, and you can see that color is yellow, and there are bubbles. You can see it is very smooth. See this. The upside layer is of smooth bubbles, and at the bottom there is the water and turmeric mixture. So let's move towards our second experiment. So here we have our second experiment. For this experiment you need a laser and a drop of water. So you have to do a thing that you should take a dropper or anything and put a drop of water on the top of the laser. And now I will show how the results are there. So this experiment is also called as how to see the microorganisms of water. So let's see the microorganisms of water, and you should see this video or this camera footage properly that I have shooted, and see when two bacteria come together then what happens. So let's see the footage. So as you can see that there are some circles, so that are the microorganic particles of water, and you can see that it is there over there, and there is also a large bacteria at the side of that. So I will show you. See the large bacteria at the left. There is chain of bacterias or microorganic particles. Now see how they are moving from one place to another. Now see what is happening. A nuclear fusion between two bacterias. Wow. See many bacterias over there. They are microorganic particles. They are so many at only one place. And in this also there is a long bacteria. It is very long. See how they are moving. They are very tiny. They are always moving. And there was also one. So here we have our third experiment. So this experiment is of prism and a laser. So let's see the magic. So where is the light? The light is here, but it is not going straight. It is going to its left because prism acting on that, and as you can see, when I will keep it in the middle, it will go in different directions as I change its direction. See over here. Now I will take it over here, and you can see it is here. Now I will turn it to the left side, and you can see that it is there. Thanks for watching my today's video, and remember to like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get my new videos and notification. Bye. Thanks for watching.